All right, we're going to get ready to fly the drone. We're going to open up our cradle. We're going to put our phone into it, right? All right, so let's go ahead and let's open up our app. Here it is, right here. See it? It's going to open, and it's got the connection right there. We're going to pull our arms out. There's little catches. Okay, this is ready to go. Then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open up the drone. I'm going to do the top wings first, bottom wings next. All right, and here is the camera. So I'm going to have the camera facing this way, just like that. All right, now to start everything, the first thing we do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to press this for 3 seconds. All right, 1, 2, 3. Those lights are blinking, we're good. Then I'm going to grab the drone. I'm going to press this for 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. Okay, there we are. Next, I'm going to connect the drone to the phone by hitting here. So I've got to hit connection. And then it shows all this, but you want to press on the actual drone. All right? And it says press and hold the power button on the drone to turn it on. Press and hold the power button on the remote. Okay, we did that. Go to connection. All right, so now it should give me this, then I'm going to touch it, then I'm going to join. So we're just waiting for it to, bam, there we are. We're ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to hit I know. All right, so I don't have enough space in this to do a video, but you know, it says the drone lacks sufficient storage space. Screenshots or screen recordings will be saved locally in low quality. Okay, I know. All right, so if I pick the drone up and I point it at myself, you can see, look, there I am. And I'll just kind of pan it around the room. You follow me? You see that? So I'm just kind of holding the drone and panning it. And I'm pointing it back at me again. There I am. Check me out. Hey, what's up? I'm Drone Master. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to launch this bad boy.